What's up, you guys? Today we're gonna replace oxygen sensor bank 1 sensor 2. We got the special jack machines this time. Literally you put it underneath, connect the line, and it raises the car. Easy peasy, all right? Of course, we're gonna get the car up, gonna replace that sensor, scan it, and then hopefully we'll never have any more electrical engine problems. Hopefully. Crossing my fingers. All right, let's get to this. Okay, yeah, I'm gonna use jacks because that thing doesn't lift high enough. It's a cool thing, but no. Gonna do it properly, safely. Ooh, got our tools there. Got the new sensor. Let's go. Let's get underneath. Yeah, this sensor was finished. Like, look at that. This MFR is black. No wonder it wasn't reading anything. Look, what are you gonna read from that? Anyways, all good, it's done. Let's scan it real quick. Make sure that everything is good. Then fully lower the car. And hopefully we have no more problems. That was a lot of fun. I don't think there's any point to do any video this time because we already did this once. Pretty straightforward. Just replace that sensor right there in the center and just lower the shield a little bit. Easy peasy, nothing special. Okay, this one to garbage. Okay, so let's scan it, make sure that everything is good, clear the codes. Got our ignition on, hopefully no more engine light and we can drive and have power and not stutter and everything, and hopefully this is the last sensor to replace for now. Okay, let's get this done. Okay guys, we just finished the scan. That's it, looks like it's all good. Hopefully we don't have to replace any more sensors. They're fun to replace and easy, but it's just such a headache to get them, this, that. So next, we're gonna do the valve cover gaskets, the front timing cover gaskets, spark plug tube seals. We're gonna get that oil leak taken care of. Probably gonna do it myself. That'll be a fun video, fun challenge. But yeah, hopefully now we don't get any more sensors or misfires or anything like that. We'll probably still have to check out that one wire that's still giving me a little slight hesitation, but I think we should be fine. Anyways, hope you guys enjoyed that video. I'll see you guys tomorrow with a new video. Peace.